In Affinity Photo, one means of recalling your work, going back in time chronologically, is by using snapshots. Here I have an image, and this would be an excellent point in which to create a snapshot of the default image. I simply go to Document, Add Snapshot, and give it a name. Image 1 Start, as an example. Now, any changes I make from here, I can do that real quick. Adding an HSL adjustment by changing some features here and going to Document, Add Snapshot, and typing in image 1 color green. So if I wanted to go back to the original, I can simply go to Restore Snapshot and say image 1 start, and it brings it back to the original. And if you notice, the layers are also brought back to the original status of that snapshot. So now if I wanted to add another photo, let's just say this one here, I resize it as I wish, make some changes to it, create a snapshot for this version. And then if I want to, again, recall the first document at any state that it was in when I created the snapshot, I just recall it. And again, I notice here that the layer structure has been preserved. If I go back to the original document, you can see that the layer structure is preserved. So this is an excellent way of recalling your work to a certain point in your work flow.